Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Diamond squeezer. Chemical reactions, what are they all about? Starting a chemical reaction can occur in a number of different ways. You can use light, you can use heat, you can use electricity, you can pull the molecules apart. There's a whole range of things you can do. And the point of these is that you either break molecular bonds or you move electrons around, distributing them from one atom to the next. Nicholas Melosh and his colleagues at Stanford University have found that they can do this, they can start a chemical reaction by actually squeezing the molecule. I know what you're thinking, people squeeze molecules before to do chemical reactions, right? That's how you make diamonds, by squeezing graphite under huge amounts of pressure. Well, that is in a symmetrical way, as in the pressure is equal across the entire surface of the molecule. This is in an asymmetrical way, as in there's a particular amount of pressure on specific parts of the molecule. So they did this by putting the molecule between two rigid structures called carboranes. And this tiny little anvil around the molecule was then put into a larger diamond anvil, and the pressure was increased up to 12 gigapascals. Now, if you want to put that into perspective, that's 100 times the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. 100 times that pressure. And at this pressure, the bonds inside a specific molecule, in this case it was a copper sulfide cluster, broke. The electrons moved from the sulfur atoms to the copper atoms, and they created crystals of pure copper. And there's no chemical solvents or no catalyst, so it makes the whole process very, very efficient. And this could completely change how drugs are produced. It gives a lot more control over how you can change specific parts of a molecule. So in future, specific bonds between actual atoms within the drug can be manipulated, they can be broken or they can be formed, and this may affect the side effects, or this may affect how effective the drug actually is. That is Diamond Squeezer. Thanks for tuning in. Love you, bye, love you, bye, love you, bye.